on matters pertaining to the latest scathing remarks made by senior DMK leader Mr. R.S. Bharathi, referring to the Nagas as dog eaters. In this regard, I would like to present the following points to the press and media friends present in the House from our state BJP side. The points are like this. In the video that went viral on social media platform a few days ago, former Rajya Sabha member and organizing secretary of the DMK, that is Dravida Mudatra Kazhagam, party was seen making scathing attacks against the Nagas as dog eaters. This incident happened in the event of DMK's celebration of 100th birth anniversary of the former DMK leader and the Chief Minister, Mr. M. Karunanidhi. Mr. Bharathi has made this racist attack against the Nagas while taking a dig at Tamil Nadu's Governor Sri R. N. Ravi. The implication of the Naga identity as dog eaters by DMK leader R.S. Bharathi has enraged the Nagas. In this regard, the BJP Nagaland would like to remind DMK leader that the ethnicity and the race of a community is not defined by the food habit. So also Mr. Bharathi has no right whatsoever to insult the identity of the Nagas basing on the food habit. This is nothing but a serious racial discrimination against the Nagas, and the BJP Nagaland will leave no stone unturned till Mr. Bharathi is punished as per the law of the land. In our culture and the social practices, since time immemorial, that we perform religious rite with dog meat, and that can be seen even now also, even today also in the village gates. Therefore, his motive in saying that Nagas are dog meat is against our fundamental right, and also it amounts to committing sacrilege to the people of Nagas. While appreciating the comment made by Mr. R.N. Ravi during his effort to rescue Nagas prestige from that unprovoked remark made by Mr. Bharathi, he also said, Nagas are brave, Nagas are honest and dignified people. Hero R.S. Bharathi, a senior DMK leader, publicly insulting them, that is Nagas, insulting Nagas as dog eaters is scurrilous and unacceptable. That is what was commented by our Honorable Governor, Mr. R.N. Ravi, Governor of Tamil Nadu. When DMK has some issues with its governor, what made Mr. Bharathi to drag in the name of Nagas in the matter, that too with insulting remarks? Those saying that Nagas are weak and the gullible people, that they will not mind about it. His unprovoked remark is highly condemnable by one and all, and it cannot be forgotten. The BJP Nagaland finds it appalling that a senior DMK leader like Bharathi would stoop so low as to pass extreme racist attack against a community that he knows nothing about. Nagas are warriors in our own way, and we will always stand together when the very existence of us as a people is questioned. We are known for our rich cultural heritage and uniqueness as a nation under the Union of India, and that can never be erased or brushed off by some crazy and irresponsible person like Mr. Bharathi. Adding more salt to the injury, Mr. Bharathi had the nerve to comment further that he had in no way offended the Nagas by saying that, but instead he was only praising the Nagas when he passed the racist dog eater's remark. Tried as he might to save his face, but there is no way that he will go scot-free after insulting the dignity of the Nagas and the entire Northeast people in general. The latest political gimmicks played by DMK leader, a Congress-led Indie Alliance partner, insulting the very dignity of the Nagas as dog meat eaters. Dog eaters is demeaning in nature and it abuses of the Naga identity. It only not tantamount to racial discrimination in its lowest form, but it has the question that the very identity of the Nagas as a person under the Union of India is threatened. The vote of contention here is, why has the Congress allowed Indie Alliance partner DMK party to cast aspersions not only against the Nagas, but demean the whole ethnic groups having diverse cultures and practices in India? This is nothing but racial discrimination in its highest degree, and we shall in no way tolerate such racism. Thank you.